website is available at krec.ks.gov. Click the Public Portal login in the top right corner to access your licensing information. When KREC switched to the new licensing system in April 2025, all licensees were sent an email containing login credentials and instructions. This would have been sent to the email address on file with KREC at that time. If you have never signed in to the new system, Public Portal, do not create a new account. Instead, search your email for a message from elp@ks.gov to locate those original credentials sent to you, and then sign in to the Public Portal with that information. If you cannot locate the original email, click the Forgot Password link to have new credentials sent to you. Please be patient. This email can take up to 5 minutes to send. If you do not receive anything, it is likely that you have a different email address associated with your license record than the email you are checking. Please check all email accounts that you own. If you no longer have access to the email account associated with your license, please contact KREC by emailing krec@ks.gov. Log in using your username and password. Click the Sign In button. Click the My Records tab. Any licenses associated with your record will be here. I have a few extras in my account since this is an example account. If you do not see a license here, it's likely because you're in an account that is not associated with your license record. Please log in to the appropriate account or contact KREC. If you are within your 45-day renewal window, a renew license link will appear. If you do not see this link, it's likely that you're trying to renew too early. The blue text below is how you update your contact information. Click the Update Record button to manage licensee requests. This includes adding an affiliation, moving your license to a different company, changing your contact information, or removing an affiliation. These services are available 24/7. The black text, which says Renew License, is what you want to click to renew your license. Click the Edit button below your name to verify your contact information. If you need to make any changes, do that here. Here you can update your email, your address by clicking this blue button. Be sure to enter all information. Click Continue. You can now see that your contact information has been updated successfully. You can also click the button down here to edit your address. If everything looks right, click Continue. Be sure to renew your license under the appropriate status. You must maintain an active license to perform any licensed activity. This includes receiving a referral fee. Click Continue. Fill out the questions appropriately. Here you will again see what CE you have on file. Click Continue. Here you can make any changes to your current affiliation by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting an option. If you do not need to make any changes, you can skip this step and click Continue. Please consent to electronic service by checking the box at the bottom and click Continue. Here you can review all your information on file. If everything looks okay, you can agree to the certification and continue. You will now see any fees associated with your license renewal. Click Continue Application to be directed to the payment page. Here you can say if you want to pay with a credit card or check. You will then be directed to a payment page where you can enter your payment information. Please enter your information and proceed. Once your payment has successfully processed, you will be directed back to a confirmation screen. Please read all information on the screen. Your renewal has been submitted, and KREC will notify you if additional information is needed. You will receive a confirmation email with an updated pocket card within 24 hours of renewal. If you do not receive a confirmation email with updated pocket card, that means something has gone wrong with the renewal process and you need to contact KREC for assistance. The confirmation email sent to you upon successful renewal will look something like this. It also has an attached pocket card that shows your expiration date. Visit the KREC website at krec.ks.gov and click the Resources tab and Forms and Instructions to find step-by-step instructions to walk you through most processes in the online public portal. You can also visit the Frequently Asked Questions page to find answers to common questions that we see.